Tell me about yourself. As a virtual assistant, I specialize in providing remote, administrative, and organizational support to help businesses stay efficient and organized. I'm highly detailed oriented, proactive, and dedicated to creating seamless workflows for my clients. I pride myself on being adaptable and reliable always, looking for ways to improve processes and take tasks of my client plates so they can focus on what matters most. What are your strengths as a VA? My key strengths are my strong organizational skills and time management. I'm excellent of multitasking, can juggle multiple tasks and deadlines without losing track of what of the details. I am also highly savvy, which means I can quickly learn and adapt to new tools and platforms. Whether it's project management system or CRM, software or email automation tools, additionally, I communicate clearly and professionally, ensuring that my clients are always informed and confident to work in my work. What are your weaknesses as a VA? One area I've been working on is, is not overloading myself with tasks. Since I'm passionate about helping my client, I sometimes take on the take on too much at once. However, I've learned to better prioritize tasks and communicate clearly about my workload, which helps me manage expectations and deliver quality work on time. What made you decide to become a VA? I've always enjoyed supporting others' organization, workflow, and I saw virtual assisting as a perfect way to leverage my skills. Af- In a flexible remote environment, after working in DocuDex Virtual Assistant, I realized I wanted to offer administrative support to clients while working on projects that interest me. The variety of tasks and opportunity to work with diverse clients drew me to the VA world, as it provides both flexibility and the ability to make a real impact on business of all sizes. If you hire me, what can I do for you as a VA? As a VA can handle a wide range of tasks, including but not limited to administrative support, managing emails, calendars, and appointments, data entry organization, creating and maintaining database, spreadsheet and filing system, customer service, responding to client inquiries, handling support tickets, and managing social media's interaction. Project management using tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to keep project on track. Content creation, drafting emails, newsletters, or blog posts as needed. Research, conducting marketing project, research to support decision making. Event planning, organizing virtual event meeting or webinars. Basically, I can step and handle the repetitive tasks so you can focus on a higher level strategy and growth. Thank you.